balanced chemical equations. According to law of conservation of mass, the total mass of elements present in the reactants should be the same in the products also. That is, the number of atoms in each element should remain same before and after a chemical reaction. Zinc, when reacts with sulfuric acid, it forms zinc sulfate and hydrogen. A stepwise procedure has to be followed to balance a chemical equation. Example of chemical equation can be Fe plus H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 1. Draw the boxes around each formula. Step 2. List out the number of atoms of different elements of unbalanced equation. Step 3. Balancing should be started with the element with maximum number of atoms either in the reactants or products. Oxygen with 1 atom in the reactant but 4 atoms in the product, that is, initially there is 1 atom in H2O and in the products there are 4 atoms of oxygen in Fe3O4. So, to balance the equation, the oxygen number in the reactants should be multiplied by 4 to obtain 4 atoms of oxygen in the product. So, the equation becomes Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus H2. Step 4. To equalize hydrogen atoms. Initially, in the reactants, the number of hydrogen atoms is 8 in 4H2O, whereas in the products, the number of hydrogen atoms is 2 in H2. To balance the equation, the hydrogen number in the products should be multiplied by 4. So, the equation becomes Fe plus 4H2O gives Fe3O4 plus 4H2. To balance iron, initially in the reactants there is 1 atom of iron, whereas in the products there are 3 atoms of iron in Fe3O4. To balance, the number of atoms of iron in the reactants should be multiplied by 3. So, the equation becomes 3Fe plus 4H2O to give Fe3O4 plus 4H2. Step 6. The physical states of the reactants and the products are represented along with chemical equation. 3Fe, that is the solid, reacts with 4H2O, that is the liquid, to form Fe3O4, that is a solid, plus 4H2, which is a gas. Reaction conditions like temperature, pressure, catalyst are also represented. So, the example can be 6CO2, which is in aqueous form, reacts with 12H2O, which is the liquid form, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to synthesize C6H12O6 glucose plus 6O2, which is in aqueous form, and 6H2O, which is a liquid form.